dance is called Thunderbird. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, improve a level line dance with 1 restart. Starting on the left foot, walk forward 2 steps, left, right. Shuffle forward on the left. Sweep the right around to the front, touch it to the front, sweep it back, step back on that right. Into a coaster cross, back, close, cross. That's it to steps once more then, walking forward off on the left. 7, 8, walk, walk, left shuffle, touch, back, coaster, cross. Rock to the side on the right, and carry your weight on the left. Into a little weave, crossing the right behind, left to the side, cross the right over. Point the left forward, point the left to the side, into a quarter turn coaster step, or a toaster step. So you're going to make a quarter turn left, as you step the left back, right beside left, step the left forward. So it's a coaster step, you put a quarter turn on that very first step that you do. That set of steps once more then, side rock and weave off on the right. 7, 8, side rock, behind side cross, point, point, toaster step. So you should now be facing 9 o'clock. Add those 2 sections together. Walking forward off on the left. 7, 8, walk, walk, left shuffle, touch, back, coaster, cross, side rock, behind side cross, point, point, toaster step. Into a V step. So step the right forward on the right diagonal, left forward on the left diagonal. Step the right diagonally back to the left, back to where it came from, step the left beside the right. Cross the right over the left, step back on the left, chassé to the right. That set of steps once more then, V step off on the right. 7, 8, out, out, in, close, cross, back, right chassé. Add that to the top. Walking forward off on the left. 7, 8, walk, walk, left shuffle, touch, back, coaster, cross, side rock, behind side cross, point, point, toaster step, out, out, in, close, cross, back, right chassé. Cross the left over the right, step the right to the side. Sailor step, left foot leading, behind side, side. Cross the right over the left, step the left to the side, right coaster step, back close step. That set of steps once more then, cross side sailor off on the left. 7, 8, cross, side, sailor step, cross, side, coaster step. End of the dance when we get to that point, let's put it all together. Walking forward, off on the left. 7, 8, walk, walk, left shuffle, touch, back, coaster, cross, side rock, behind side cross, point, point, toaster step, out, out, in, close, cross, back, right chassé, cross, side, sailor step, cross, side, coaster step. So that is your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Walking forward off on the left. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So hopefully that gives you a good feel for the timing. Now it is a 4 wall dance, So let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Walking forward, off on the left. 7, 8. Walk, walk, left shuffle, touch, back, coaster, cross. Side rock, behind side cross, point, point, toaster, step. Out, out, in, close, cross, back, right chassé. Cross, side, sailor, step, cross, side, coaster, step. Walk, walk, left shuffle, touch, back, coaster, cross. Side rock, behind side cross, point, point, toaster, step. Out, out, in, close, cross, back, right chassé. Cross, side, sailor, step, cross, side, coaster, step. Walk, walk, left shuffle, touch, back, coaster, cross. Side rock, behind side cross, point, point, toaster, step. Out, out, in, close, cross, back, right chassé. Cross, side, sailor, step, cross, side, coaster, step. So that is your dance. Now there is one little restart in this dance. It comes on wall 12 after 12 counts. So you're going to just on your side rock and weave, that is your restart point. Wall 12 is actually your 3 o'clock wall. So let's take you up to 12 counts, restart the dance. Walking forward, off on the left. 7, 8. Walk, walk, left shuffle, touch, back, coaster, cross. Side rock, behind side cross, restart, walk, walk, left shuffle. So hopefully you can see where that restart fits in. Now the cue, the clue and the cue that the choreographer has actually given is that in this particular piece of music, listen out for the artist singing 5, 6, 7, 8. So singing, counting. That is your cue that the restart is upon you. So that's it. That is your dance. That is your walkthrough. It's your restart information. Let's give it a go to the music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, left shuffle, touch, back, coaster, cross. Side rock, hand side cross, point, point, toaster, step. Out, out, in, close, cross, back, right chassé, cross, side, sailor step, cross, side, coaster, step. Walk, walk, left shuffle, touch, back, coaster, cross. Side rock, hand side cross, point, point, toaster, step. Out, out, in, close, cross, back, right chassé, cross, side, sailor step, cross, side, coaster, step. Walk, walk, left shuffle, touch, back, coaster, cross. Side rock, behind side cross, point, point, toaster, step. Out, out, in, close, cross, back, right chassé, cross, side, sailor step, cross, side, coaster, step. Walk, walk, left shuffle, touch, back, coaster, cross. Walk, behind side cross, point, point, toaster, step. Out, out, in, close, cross, back, right chassé, cross, side, sailor step, cross, side, coaster, step. Walk. Side rock. Weave. Cross side. Walk. Side rock. Weave. Cross side. Walk. Side rock. Weave. Cross side. Walk. Cross side.
Till the sun comes up. Baby, pour a little whiskey in my coffee cup. If your head is still spinning and your eyes are blurred, it's a Bloody Mary morning. Here is Thunderbird. Everybody's gonna Thunderbird. I left out the minute that I got the word. The time of big folks and they're drinking beer. Somebody get this swimming women over here. We're gonna party till they call it off. And you're gonna see it like you never saw. Oh, you're gonna hear it like you never heard. Everybody's gonna Thunderbird. Everybody's gonna Thunderbird. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Restart, walks. Hope you managed that one.